Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to screen record on your iPhone 16. So I'm provide full guide. So go to control center and long press, click on add a control. At first I'm at screen record, showing it to screen recording, or go to search option, search it to screen recording, just tap on, then add. So look here, now successfully add screen recording in my control center. So just click on, then start recording, then stop, and long press, then showing it to microphone option. You just easily turn on or turn off your microphone and click on start recording, then it's start. Okay, and stop. Now it's saved in my gallery, so open to check. So that's it.